percentage to fraction. So, paano ba i-convert ang percentage into fraction? So, take note that percentage means per 100. Galing ito sa salitang Latin na percentum, which is ang ibig sabihin ay per 100. 75% means that is a 75 out of 100. Kaya 75% can also be written as 75 over 100 in fraction. So, to simplify, para makuha natin yung simplified na fraction form ng 75%, i-simplify natin ito, hanap tayo ng number na pwedeng i-divide sa kanilang dalawa ng walang remainder, tapos it should be the greatest number. So, dito, pwede ang 25. So, 75 divided by 25, that is 3, over 100 divided by 25 is 4. So, therefore, 75% is 3/4 in fraction. So, mas okay kung ma-memorize mo ang mga basic na percentage, mas mabilis na sa'yo kung sakaling maka-encounter ka ng mga ganito. So, 50% means 50 out of 100. Kaya, kapag nakakita ka ng 50%, automatically, kalahati yan. Kasi, di ba, 50 is kalahati ng 100. So, halimbawa, 50% of 200. So, automatic, kalahati ng 200 is 100. So, again, this is 50 over 100. So, sa pag-simplify, i-divide mo by 50, ang numerator of denominator, so that is 1/2. Kasi nga kalahati, kaya 1/2. Try to answer this one, what is 28% in fraction? And comment down your answer.